So children, let's start make one sentences with the following words. Okay. First one is whale. W-A-L-E, whale. Okay. For this sentences is the children, T-H-E, the children were amazed. A-M-A-Z-E-D, amazed. The children were amazed by the depth, D-E-P-T-H, depth by the depth of the whale. Okay children, whale sentences is the children were amazed by the depth of the whale. The children, when they went on the trip, they were amazed, they were little happy and shocked at the same time by seeing the depth of the road. I mean the whale, the valley's depth they have seen, and they felt very amazed. Okay, the children were amazed by the depth of the whale. Say, the children were amazed by the depth of the whale. Now the second one, children, again I am telling you have to write only one time this one after writing the meanings. Okay, the second one is solitude. S-O-L-I-T-U-D-E, solitude. Solitude sentence will be starting with she wished to work in solitude. She wished to work in solitude. That means solitude means what? Working or being alone, doing something alonely. That is known as a solitude. She wished to work in solitude. When we wanted to do something peacefully without any disturbance, we will be doing it in the solitude. So that kind of state of mind is known as solitude. Okay. The third one is flutter. F-L-U-T-T-E-R. Flutter. So the breeze made the flags flutter. Okay? Fluttering means what? Flapping or banging with each other. So the breeze made the flags flutter. Flutter sentence we can form it in this way. The breeze made the flags flutter. Okay children? So the fourth one, sprightly. S-P-R-I-G-H-T-L-Y. Sprightly. The old woman is sprightly. Okay, the old woman is sprightly. So you know the meaning was sprightly, full of energy. So old woman was sprightly. So or is sprightly. Fifth is jocund. J-O-C-U-N-D. Jocund. Always the sentence should start with the capital letter. Whenever we are writing any sentence, it should be started. The letter should be in capital. My brother was feeling jocund be telling? So here my brother, see, my brother was feeling jocund after visiting the circus. Okay? Next. Sixth one, pencil. What is sixth one? Pencil. After losing the game, game, John, John became, you can add some another name in the place of John. Okay? John became pencil. Okay? After losing the game, John became pencil. Pencil means what? Thoughtful in the serious thought. What is meant by pencil? Thoughtful, be thinking about something continuously or very frequently. That is the meaning of pencil. So here after losing the game, John became pencil. He was thinking how I lost my game, why I was not concentrating on the game. He was thinking in that way. Seventh one, never ending. Seventh one is never ending. The game seemed to be never ending. Okay? Which can never be ending. I mean, which will be take much more time than we think. That is known as never ending. The game seemed to be never ending. Means by seeing that game, if someone is playing continuously, we can say this game is seemed to be never ending. So let's go for the next one. Eighth one is vacant. V-A-C-A-N-T. Vacant. Vacant meaning what I said? Empty. There is a land. There is a land. Sorry. There is a vacant land. There is a vacant land near my home or house. There is a vacant land near my house. Okay, children? So these sentences you write down neatly in the class workbook after finishing the what I made you write? Rhyming words, right? First spell words, meanings, rhyming words, then make on sentences. Then we will be starting our question answers. So let's start our question answers, everyone. First, after finishing this, you guys everyone open page number 15. Okay? Page number 15. Here we have the questions for the sentences, right? Then let's go for the big bit. Here he had given write down numbers denoting the words in column A beside the appropriate words in column B to create compound words so that two words become compound words meaningful with each other. See example, friend plus ship. It has become friendship. So here more examples like spaceship, underpass, blackboard. So he had given some of the words this side and some of the words here. We need to match these two words to become a compound word. As an example, what he had given children, friend plus ship becomes friendship. Okay. So let's start that one. After this, we will be writing the first answers. Okay. Example I am writing over here. Again, see, friend plus ship. For this, compound word is friendship. Okay, what is the compound word of friend plus ship? Friendship. Okay, so here he has given first word is snow. So what do you think? This word will be joined with which word and will become a compound word? With which word we will be matching it? Here you can see flakes. Okay, here he has given ground, man, case, male, less, flakes, chair, scraper. So this snow word is matching with the flakes. You all know what are snowflakes? Right. In the snowy areas or the hilly regions, we will be getting snowfall, right? So in that snowfall, tinier bits of snow you will be getting, which is known as snowflake. Okay, it will be about 6 phases of each snowflake. So here, snow plus flake will become snowflake. Okay, children? So here, you can see it is at the 6th one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6th in the B group. Here he had given one bracket. So you need to write 1 here because the question is 1. First question is what it is matching. Snow is matching with flake. Flake is at the 6th. Roman number 6 he had given. There we need to write 1 in the bracket. Next, arm. Arm. Okay, arm means what? A hand. So with what it will be matching? A-R-M. Arm. You tell me, you look at this one, B column, and you tell me whether it is matching with ground, man, case, male, less, chair or scraper. Anyhow we finished our flakes, right? So we need to opt for the next one. It is matching with chair. C-H-A-I-R. Chair. So it will become chair. So near chair. Chair is the 7th Roman. There you put 2. Okay? Now the third one. Third one is under. Under is matching with ground. Under plus ground will become underground. Where is ground here? In which Roman he had given? In which Roman number he had given? 1. So near 1 you put 3. Okay, children? Now fourth one. Post. P-O-S-T. Post. Let's see. Post is matching with, you can see a man here. Who's he? Postman. So here post, man. Post plus man will become postman. So near 2 you need to put 4. Okay, I hope everyone are able to understand how I am explaining. Now let's move for the next one. Stair. S-T-A-I-R. Stair. Stair means what, children? Stair. A step. Step. Okay, steps. So stair. So that the set of stair is known as staircase. You can see here the Roman number 3 he had given case. Stair plus case will become staircase. Okay. So here case you put 5 in the bracket. Now 6th one is black. So black plus what we need to add here. See, we finished here. Ground we finished, man we finished, case we finished, and flakes we finished, chair we finished. So what it will be matching with? Male. Black male. M-A-I-L. Male. So it will become Blackmail. When we blackmail someone with something, not we, other people who blackmail. So if you don't do this, I am going to tell to father that you have done that one and you have stolen this one. We will be blackmailing our siblings and sisters and brothers, right? So here near the male, it is Roman number 4. There you write 6. Okay? Next is 7th one, sky. So what are left over? 8th one is left over and 5th one is left over. So skyscraper. You know what is skyscraper, children? Big, huge building. Sorry. Big, huge building which is touching the above the, it will be touching, like by seeing from down, we will be feeling that it is touching to the sky. Actually, none can touch the sky. Sky is nothing but it's an open space. So, nothing can be touched by. But the scraper will look like it's a huge building. Very much huge. Usually, these skyscrapers are available in the metro cities, like more developed cities. Example, the skyscrapers are many in Mumbai. They are skyscrapers are tall buildings where we can go shopping. Near the scraper, so the word will become skyscraper. Okay, so near the scraper you put at the 8th Roman, you put number 7. Now last one is home. H-O-M-E. The last one is left over is less. Homeless. So where is the less here? Near 5th Roman. Okay? Near 5th Roman you put the bracket 8. I hope everyone understood how to make the compound words. Okay children, once again you guys everyone see. Okay, everyone of you all once again you see and learn these words. Okay, take care. We'll get back in the next class with the question answers.